and welcome to Odisha Post Live. With Sonali, let's have a look on today's news bulletin. Delhi police registers FIRs. Deep Sidhu threatens the farmer leaders. Delhi police registered 22 FIRs regarding the tractor rally brutally at Red Fort on the Republic Day. The farmers broke the barricades and entered into the capital, damaging several public and private properties. Police named Deep Sidhu for promoting violence in the farmer protest against the agricultural reforms. A video has been leaked which flashed Deep Sidhu threatening the farmer leaders and warning them not to end the protest. According to the sources, some of the farmers parted their ways from the protesting farmers and went back to their home. Home Minister to visit the cops. Opposition party blames the centre. Home Minister Amit Shah likely to visit the Red Fort to inspect the damages done during the tractor rally on the Republic Day. Shah to meet the cops in the hospital who got injured by the farmer protesters' brutality. Delhi police have issued notices to 22 farmer leaders including Yogendra Yadav and Baldev Singh. The investigation is still on process. The opposition party holds Amit Shah responsible for the violence between the farmer protesters and the government. The Congress party demands resignation from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, targeting him for not being able to control the violence. Mangoli passes away. MC Managoli, Janata Dal MLA from Sidagi Assembly and former Horticulture Minister of Karnataka passes away at the age of 85 on Thursday morning in a Bengaluru hospital. B.S. Yediyurappa, Karnataka Chief Minister and former Prime Minister H.D. Devi Gaurva condoled the demise of Managoli. The minister's demise is shocking as he was the state's senior-most leader, said the Chief Minister. Delhi police registers FIR against SFJ. A case has been registered by the Delhi police against the banned organization of Sikhs for Justice under pertinent sections of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and other sections of IPC for instigating people for referendum 2020 with demands for a segregate Sikh state. Special cells have lodged the cases in the third week of January 2021, reported by Delhi police. SFJ was formed in 2007, which is a US-based group seeking to create a separate place for the Sikhs. In December 2020, charge sheets have been registered by National Investigation Agency against 10 accused, which also included terrorist Gurpatwan Singh Pannu at a special court in Mohali for being linked to a case related to violence by SFJ. Bharti Airtel announces 5G network in Hyderabad. Bharti Airtel became the first telecom network to have arranged and exhibited live 5G service over a commercial network in Hyderabad city as reported. Airtel successfully did this over its existing liberalized spectrum in the 1800 MHz band through the non-standalone network technology. The network will be having the capacity of delivering 10x speeds with 10x latency and 100x concurrency compared to existing technologies. The specimen confirmed the 5G readiness of Airtel's network to all the domains, radio, core and transport. The CEO, Vittal, says that with this innovation, we believe India to have the potentiality to become a global hub for 5G innovation. Earthquake in Delhi, experiencing foggy morning. The Delhi capital experiences a low-intensity earthquake of 2.8 magnitudes on Thursday morning as reported by the National Center of Seismology. According to the report given by the NCS, the earthquake was felt at 9:17 am at a depth of 15 kilometers. Delhi is regularly experiencing foggy climate leading to poor visibility. On Thursday morning, 15 trains were cancelled from Delhi due to visibility reasons. collaboration to create public eco-friendly park. Chandaka Police Station in Bhubaneswar, Odisha capital, took a unique initiative to build a public eco-friendly park with the motive to create a good environment and attract the public towards it. Construction of the park will help to build a good relation between the public and the police. Chandaka Police Station is about 150 years old station which was established during the British rule in 1868. School colleges reopen after 10 months in Manipur. Schools and colleges reopen in Manipur after a gap of 10 months on Wednesday. Several COVID precautions and procedures were followed. Sangeeta Mayangbam, principal of Tamfasana Girls Higher Secondary School in Imphal, said only with parents or guardians' consent letter and COVID negative reports the students are allowed to attend the classes. She further mentioned that an individual student will be sitting on a bench and in a zigzag manner maintaining a proper social distancing. The principal said that the school authorities distributed face masks to the students. India to play against India A side. India against India A side to play 2 4-day warm-up fixtures in July ahead their 5-test match series in England this summer at the Country Ground in Northamptonshire. India will play against England in a 5-match test series scheduled to begin in August 2021. England to host India for 5 tests starting from August 4 at Trent Bridge, Lord's Emerald, Headingley, the Sky Oval and Emirates Old Trafford with the first game. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you.